So we're here with a brand new product. This is the DCCMS mini scuba tank. Let's open this up. We'll talk more about this. This is a comprehensive kit for scuba diving. It's a 1 liter tank that will average you about 10 to 25 minutes of oxygen time while scuba diving, in essence, or mini scuba diving. Ooh, look at how cool this kit is. That is so solid. Boom, boom. Ah. Got a little instruction guide for the canister. We've got a little rebreather here. Awesome, so it pushes out easy, sucks into the line, really good. And we got your actual pressure gauge here. Ooh, they even included a little mask. Let's see this out. Nice, very, very nice. This here is a bag for carrying the canister. So this is the canister right here. And you just set that up in there, and you can put it over your shoulder. Real nice. Awesome. Got our valves here. So you can take that off right there. This is the part that goes into the bottle. You can use this adapter here with a valve to fill up your canister. You would just attach this piece here. And then you can directly fill the bottle with this adapter. Get that on there nice and tight, and then this connector here screws onto your rebreather. This tank is actually very empty right now, so we're going to take this and we're going to go get it filled at a facility. You can also use pumps or your own regulators for the compressed air, but we're just going to take it directly to a certified scuba shop to basically fill this canister for us. And then we're going to take this to the pool and check it out. We'll be right back. Hopefully this works for you as well as it works for us. Keep in mind this is great for small dives, maybe in like a little pool, or just trying to get the handle of how to basically do scuba diving. They're really small dives. You don't want to go too deep always, especially if you're not fully trained. It could be a little bit of a risk. So anything leisurely, small, right in like your home, in your backyard, something safe, this is going to be a great option for you. And remember, never dive alone. See you guys next time.